Be careful about identifying with your anger. You are not your feelings. You're not. Your feelings come and go. When you get a meditative practice, you will see that. You will see that something that you feel right now, you will not feel in the very near future. That's true. I've been angry now, just this low-level anger for days. But I know that even if it lasts weeks, months, or years, eventually I will not be angry. I know that. And I don't identify with my anger. I have anger, which is, they kind of say that in Spanish, like I have hunger, I have, tango, I have anger, but I am not my anger. I am not my hunger. What I am is a person who understands impermanence, who can watch my anger or any negative emotion arise. And I know that it arises, it will stay a while, no matter how long that while is. And eventually it will dissipate and go away. A lot of times we don't even realize when it has gone away. That's okay. What we want to be able to do is to realize when it's starting to come up, when we are beginning to feel angry. That's what we want to do. We want to catch ourselves in the middle of our anger episode and do something different, regardless of what that difference is, because here's what we're trying to do. We're trying to get a gap between feeling anger and reacting to anger. So if I can catch myself feeling anger, I can stop, I can remove myself from whatever situation I'm in, go to another room, and maybe go have a drink of water, whatever, to give myself a chance to feel the anger without reacting to the anger. That's what we want to be. That's where we're trying to get to. That takes practice. But what takes less practice is to feel your anger. If you can feel your anger at any point in it, whether you're in the middle of a screaming fit, whether the argument's already over, and wherever you start to feel your anger, that's where you need to stop. Stop. Take 3 deep breaths. Relax your shoulders and your jaw. And start again. You will still be angry most of the time, but you'll be able to see that you are angry and make a different choice. That's the beginning of how do we deal with our anger. We deal with our anger by making different choices when we see ourselves getting angry, middle of anger, already did something that we regret, still angry. Whenever we can, we catch ourselves and we do something different. So justified anger is the same as anger that's not justified. We do not want to water those seeds. We do not want to be people who are angry. We just don't. We want to be people who can see that we are angry, because anger is part of the human condition. It really is. It's one of those things. We get hungry, we get angry, but it doesn't have, just like when we're hungry, we don't necessarily have to run out and grab a horrible thing to eat. When we're angry, we don't have to do horrible things. We just don't. We can do something else. We can make better choices. And the easiest choice to make is to get ourselves into a different situation, get a gap between realizing we're angry and doing something, catch ourselves, and make a choice that is more constructive for our lives at that moment, regardless of what it is. Sometimes it's just getting a glass of water. Sometimes it's just stopping in the middle of a sentence. You're just about to dig in and go in for that third nasty thing that's about to come out of your mouth, and you hear yourself and you catch yourself and you stop yourself. That's good enough. That's good enough. We are in amazing, beautiful, scary, quite scary times. And a lot of us are dealing with anger that really doesn't seem to be dissipating. But I promise you, it will. I promise you, one day you're going to wake up and you're going to notice, I'm just not angry anymore. I'm scared, I'm tired, exhausted, whatever, but I'm no longer angry. Because of impermanence, tired goes away, scared goes away, anger goes away, everything goes away. We ourselves will eventually go away. So I know that none of these things are going to stay. Just live with that. Know that if you can keep yourself from doing something stupid, that eventually you won't feel this way. And you won't feel like you want to do something stupid. Live with that. Thank you for listening. Be well. I'll see you in the next one.